y'all? Jazz Janae here. Jazz Janae here, and I'm about to go get my lashes done. I'm in Montgomery and stuff, and this girl named MK that went to the same college as me, she does lashes, and this is gonna be my first time doing lashes. And I was looking at like her Instagram pictures and stuff, and she does the lashes exactly how I would want my lashes to look, just really natural. You know, they're full and natural, like they're your own lashes. So I just decided to try her out and stuff. I'm just down here for the weekend, spending the weekend with Larry. We're gonna do something tonight, but I just wanted to take you guys along with me to go get my lashes done. So right now I'm eating some wings from this place in Montgomery called Wing Master, and we got hot lemon pepper wet. It's so good, so good. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all that experience. So I'll see you at MK's place. I don't know, every time I vlog, I'm always like really crusty looking. I don't know why, but yeah, I'm not cute all the time. We gotta fix that. But yeah, so I'm on my old college campus. I mean, yeah, I just graduated like last month, but this is my old college campus, my stomping grounds. We acted a fool, but I was in the books too. But yeah, think I'm gonna text her and tell her I'm outside, because how these dorms work, you have to have a key to get into like the lobby area, on the hallway and everything. So I just can't like walk up there and stuff. So I gotta tell her to come get me. But yeah, MK, I think her business page is called WhipLash. It's a really cute name. I'ma tag her down below, and I'm gonna also put a picture of her Instagram right here. But yeah, if you're in the Montgomery area, she seems like she does a very good job from the pictures that I've seen and stuff. So yeah, I'm finna text her now. I'm vlogging on my phone. So yeah, this is AUM. It's a really nice school. It's just really small, and it's not hard to make friends here or anything like that. I was just kind of standoffish when it came to meeting new people and stuff. That's why I just stick to the people that I know, because I'm just a really private person and just really guarded when it comes to like friendships and relationships and stuff. But yeah, this is the school. Really nice. I'm out here looking ratchet. But yeah. This is who did my lashes.
Hi, my name is MK, and I am the CEO lash tech of WhipLashdByMk, and y'all should definitely come and check me out. Right now I do have a $50 hot girl set going on, so please come get whiplashed by me.
Hot girl summer.